Welcome to my review of Couch to 5K, a popular beginner running program designed to take you from a sedentary lifestyle to running a 5K in just 9 weeks. In this video, we're taking a close look at the website itself, focusing on what it offers for users who are considering starting their fitness journey with this plan. Right off the bat, Couch to 5K markets itself as a simple, no-frills program. The homepage is clean and straightforward, showcasing its promise to help beginners transition into runners through a proven schedule of incremental progress. Navigating the site is easy, with clear sections dedicated to explaining the program, providing access to the accompanying app, and offering additional resources for new runners. The website includes a breakdown of the 9-week plan, outlining a mix of walking and jogging intervals designed to gradually build stamina and confidence. One feature that stands out is the integration with the mobile app, which acts as a digital coach, guiding users through each workout with audio cues. This is particularly useful for those who prefer to train without constantly checking their phones. However, the site doesn't offer many additional tools beyond the core program. While the app provides audio coaching and progress tracking, the website itself is fairly basic, with limited interactive features. There's no community forum or in-depth training tips, which might leave some users searching for supplemental advice elsewhere. That said, its simplicity can also be a strength for those who appreciate a straightforward approach without distractions. I also noticed the lack of a dedicated FAQ section or robust support system on the site. For a first-time visitor, the absence of detailed guidance on troubleshooting common beginner concerns, like choosing running shoes or avoiding injuries, could be a drawback. Instead, it directs users to the app for most of the hands-on help. Despite these limitations, the Couch to 5K website does a good job of presenting its core offering clearly and efficiently. Its mobile-friendly design ensures that users can access essential information on the go, and a consistent focus on beginners keeps the experience welcoming and approachable. Overall, while the website might not offer advanced features, it aligns well with its target audience, people who want an easy-to-follow and accessible entry into running. If you've been considering starting a fitness journey or are curious about whether Couch to 5K is right for you, this overview should help you weigh your options. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button for more in-depth reviews on fitness programs like this.